What is up, everybody? Well, as I mentioned before in the why I sold the Farmall M video, there is a new tractor on the property today. We're going to go take a look at it right now. There it is. This is a 1959 Allis-Chalmers D17. This is what I consider my upgrade from the M. So, it is smaller than the M. 1,000, 1,500 pounds, I can't remember. It is a lighter weight tractor than the M. A little smaller, a little shorter. However, it is newer. Now, if you remember in the why I sold the M video, the main reason I sold the M was because it was not a great loader tractor. And I want to turn this into my new loader tractor using some of this stuff. So, she needs some love in some other departments too. Basic things like the shift boot's broken, hydraulic cap's missing and replaced with a hitch ball for some reason. Brakes, very soft right now. All this wiring I want to clean up. Few, if any, of the gauges work. Need a flapper on the exhaust. Leaking in the power steering. And overall, it's probably going to be a full restore in the end. New tires are in order. But on the back end, it does have a 3-point hitch conversion. The lower arms are taken off right now. I'm doing some work with a auger for it. So that's part of the project too. And the auger I bought replaces the lower arms. So we're working on that right now. The lights could use a little bit of work, but overall, pretty good tractor. Got a good deal on it. I wanted a Allis because we are in Wisconsin. It would be cool to have a Wisconsin-made tractor built in West Allis. So that's why I got this one. Shorzy! So far, pretty happy with it. Power steering is fantastic. Big thing right now, though, is we need to get hydraulics on it. Because if you remember, my big complaint with the M was it didn't have live hydraulics. Hey! Shorzy, Addie, come here. Come on, Addie. Come on, Menace. So to do live hydraulics on this, I'm probably going to be running a pulley of some sort off the front, putting a hydraulic pump off to the side somehow. That's the main reason we're doing the whole loader project on this tractor instead of the M, is to get easier functionality out of it. So we're going to come up with a way to put live hydraulics on it. Shouldn't be too big of a deal. We're going to use these brackets and these arms, probably not that bucket. The goal here really is I want to have a good solid old tractor with a modern loader on it, but I want it to look like it was built in 1959. So that's where we're going with this project. And I'll be sure to be posting some videos of it pretty soon, so stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.